Today we're taking a look at this NavMat. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. This is great for GPS devices, smartphones, tablets, pretty much anything that you want to mount but don't want to mount and do that suction cup thing and all that. I'm going to show you the thing in 1 second. This is exactly what it looks like here. So this is the NavMat. This is what the bottom looks like. This is almost 2 pounds. This is very, very heavy. Really, really nice. The suction cup right in here is going to be 3.5 inches. The total diameter of this is about 7 inches, a little longer than that. If we're kind of going like that, if you measure it from the bottom, it's probably like, yeah, like 7.5 right over there. And the cool thing about this, it doesn't really move anywhere. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your mount in here. So if as long as it's 3.5 inches, you get this. This is kind of like a weighted beanbag, if I had to kind of describe it. We got these nice little grips on the bottom. All you have to do is wipe off your dash, put this on top, and it's not going anywhere. And then you just stick your whatever device you want. So you're going to stick the stand of the device right into here. And then when you're driving, this will not move off the dash or wherever you put it because it's super heavy. Really, really nice. Like the fact that the grippy down here is super nice. Really cool idea. I've never really thought of anything like this. You know, when you're mounting something on your windshield, it's super annoying, or even on your car. Because you don't know, you get a new car or something, it's still stuck there. Super annoying. With this, you could just take it with you on the go. Especially if you're traveling, you could take this car to car since it's not stuck. You don't need any adhesive or anything like that. So if you're looking for a great nav mat, could be good for if you have a stand for an iPad or navigation or whatever. Definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.